Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. We shall see our paper of 6th semester, that is genetics and biotechnology. In this lecture today we shall see about the introduction of Mendel and reasons for Mendel's success, character selected by Mendel and Mendelian principle. So first of all, genetics is the branch of biology which is dealing with the heredity and variation among related organisms. Try to understand what is the heredity. Heredity is nothing but the characters which are transmitted from one generation to other, from parents to offspring. And there is a variation, there is a difference in closely related organism. The work of Mendel, the contribution of Mendel to genetics is called as a Mendelism. So, introduction of Mendel, the scientist, he also called as a father of genetics. He was born in 1882 in Austria, and he has studied in the Vienna University, and he has worked as a teacher of physics and natural science. Mendel was fond of gardening. He performed number of series of experiment with pea plant in the garden of monastery. His papers were published in 1866 and in 1867 in the Proceeding of Natural History Society of Brunn. Mendel died in 1884. After 33 years, in 1900, the work of Mendel was rediscovered by three scientists, botanists. One is Koren from the Germany, De Vries from Holland, and Schermerhorn from the Austria. So, after death of the Mendel, the work experiments was worldwide came into discovery. Then we have to see about the reasons for Mendel's success, how the Mendel has succeeded in one experiment. Mendel has selected the pea plant, that is the Pisum sativum, and the characteristics of the pea plant are very interesting here. The flowers of pea plant are normally self-fertilized. Pea plant shows number of contrasting character, contrasting, that is the opposite character. After fertilization, almost success here, artificial fertilization is success, cross pollination is easily done, and here it is having this plant is very easy to cultivate and having the 7 pair of characters located on 7 separate homologous pair of chromosome. And this pea plant have a short growth period and small life cycle, short life cycle. And Mendel has maintained the statistical record of the record. So Mendel has selected these characters here: the length of stem, position of flower, the color of pod, shape of pod, color of the seed coat, and shape of seed here. The character which appears in the first generation, that is called as a dominant, and the characters which are not in the F1 generation, they are recessive, they are hidden. Tall, one is the character, and opposite is dwarf. Axial, if the position of the flower is axial, then there is a terminal, green color, then there is a yellow, inflated, the shape of the pod is inflated, and one is the constricted. So Mendel has formulated 3 laws heredity on the basis of, that is given as Pisum sativum. Law of dominance, first law is law of dominance, law of segregation, and third is the law of independent assortment. So this is the first law here. In case of Mendel, the heredity units are called as a factor, and now they are called as a genes here. The first time the genes was term given by the Johnson, and here the characters which are showing externally, they are phenotype, and the genetic combination, they are called as a genotype here. So in case of law of dominance, when two breed tall pea plant, that is the capital T, and with dwarf pea plant small t, then they are showing the F1 generation. All plants are dominant, while in case of F2 generation there is a presence of the dwarf here. So this is about the showing about the example of the law of dominance. In this we can see here there is a law of segregation, where in first there is a F1 hybrids are produced and there is a segregation, there is a separation. Okay, thank you.